2 weeks ago, I felt completely worn out from work. I'd been sitting at my desk for days without taking a real break. By Thursday night, I knew I needed to recharge, even if just for a day or two. So on Friday morning, I booked a last-minute train ticket to a small town by the coast. I didn't plan much. No strict schedule, no long checklist. I packed a small backpack with the basics: some clothes, my notebook, and my headphones. When I arrived, the weather was perfect. Clear skies, a light breeze coming off the sea. I checked into a tiny guest house just a short walk from the beach. I spent the first afternoon wandering through narrow streets lined with colorful houses. I found a spot near the harbor, ordered a cup of coffee, and watched fishing boats coming and going. In the evening, I sat on the sand and listened to the waves. I didn't think about work, emails, or deadlines. I just let my mind slow down for a while. The next morning, I woke up early and took a long walk along the shore. The town was still half asleep. Only a few people out jogging or walking their dogs. By Sunday evening, I was back on the train heading home, feeling lighter and more clear-headed than I had in weeks. It was not an expensive trip or a big adventure. Just a simple reminder that sometimes you do not need much to feel new again. A small change of scenery, a bit of fresh air, and a few quiet moments can do more than you think. Let's look at today's vocabulary.